Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. All right, guys, so I am excited to announce that I will now be doing spoilers for this new beauty subscription box. It is No Make and No Life, NMNL for short. Now, I am just now starting out with them, so I'm going to have to work with them a little bit longer to get used to how they release their spoilers. But I will leave all the information and leave a link below for them if you do want to check them out. Now, they are $35 every month, free shipping worldwide, and it doesn't show the amount of items you'll get, but you will get, it's a Tokyo box, and you will get different Japanese and also Korean beauty products, and they will also have themes and everything else. So I do have the theme for September, and so far as I could tell, there's only one September spoiler, and of course as they reveal more I will update. So the theme is Blossoming Beauty, so everything is going to be flower inspired. There's going to be flower inspired makeup and skincare in the September box. And the first spoiler is the Glam Fox Fluorescent Lip Glow Lipstick. Now there is 6 different variations, and they are also mood changing color. So that's really cool that the color changes depending on the temperature of your body. So that's really cool. And every month, if you sign up for a new box, you are entered to win some kind of giveaway. So this is the giveaway if you sign up for the September box. And again, this is going to be different every month. I thought that was really something really neat from the box. And again, I'm going to have to watch and see exactly how they release their spoilers. That way I get used to putting these spoilers out. So again, as soon as they release any more, I will update you guys, and I will leave them linked below if you want to go check them out. And as always, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.